G'day and welcome to today's video where I'll be doing a teardown on a Lenovo Ideapad 130. I'll just quickly zoom in onto the model number down here. 1 second, there we go. So the reason why I'm tearing this particular one apart is because it's got a failed hard drive in it. So that will be getting replaced in the course of this video. And also while I'm doing that, you'll be able to see the RAM getting taken out and reinserted. So to begin with, all you really need is a simple Phillips head screwdriver. I've already removed a few of the screws prior to starting the recording of this, so that's why I just skipped a whole bunch. But they should come out relatively easily for you. Also remove the DVD drive filler. And I'll pry from the same side. So I've been able to open up just a little bit there. It looks like it wouldn't go towards the hinge just yet without removing a bit more. No, I can't quite get my nails in there. So I will just grab a plastic pry tool and I'll angle it up so you can see. But that is just cutting through it like butter. There we go. That's the majority of it. Not quite, but I'll just undo that hinge bit. I'm sorry that was off camera, but it did just lift up that section. There we go. And we're in one machine now. As you can see, the layout of it's fairly standard with most other laptops these days. So it does come from the factory with a Seagate 1TB hard drive. There we go. Now it's a bit more readable. And now I'm just going to do a quick pan over the whole laptop. Hopefully you can see serial numbers and model numbers if you're looking for something in particular. And here we go, and here we have the single channel stick of RAM. Push the two metal tabs, and as we can see there, it's it's a 4 gig stick of 2666 megahertz RAM. Push it in, push down, clips over it, and done. Now from here I'm going to remove the hard drive. There's around about 4 screws holding it in. One at the back of the hard drive, one at the top of it, and then there's a warranty void sticker nearest to the front of the machine. Now there is a little blue PCB board that does need to be removed as well. And a little flex cable here. I'll just quickly zoom in on that and you'll get a good idea on how to connect and reconnect it. So that blue bit should push inside, clip over. The latch goes up and it's open. Bingo. Now from there I'm going to have to remove these Phillips head screws along the edge. Then with that done, I'm just going to compare drives. The PCB just pulls out and should slot into your SATA interface on the drive. Just make sure you get the orientation of that just correct. And from here, you should be right to reassemble it. So from here on, I'm just going to let the video play out. But I hope this helps you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.